Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have an array. Start by sanitizing it. Remove non-numeric values and ensure integers. Next, implement isPrime n, return false for n2, then test divisors from 2 up to math. Sqrt n, use n%d == 0 to detect composites. Once done, use array. Prototype. Filter to call isPrime on each element. This begins the work now, because checking every number manually is wasteful. You want an automated, repeatable helper that you can optimize next. Once you have a basic isPrime, make it faster. First, check d == 2, then loop d = 3, d less or equal sqrt, d plus = 2 so you skip every even divisor that immediately halves work. Then add caching. If you test many values repeatedly, store results in a map or set and return cached true/false. For big arrays or contiguous ranges, switch to a sieve of Eratosthenes. It computes all primes up to max in bulk far more efficiently than repeated divisibility tests. Now assemble the final function. Coerce inputs, filter with isPrime, and return the primes array. Test with edge cases. Negative numbers, duplicates, and non-integers. Decide whether to floor or reject floats. For huge arrays, make the operation non-blocking, split into chunks, use set timeout/promise, or spawn worker threads so the UI stays responsive. If you see incorrect outputs, recheck pruning of n2 and your divisor loop bounds. That single off by 1 causes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.